What is going on, Yuga fam? It's VJ of YugaTech, and we just took a look recently at some of the best smartphones back in the first quarter of 2022. If you want to check that out, we'll be sure to leave the link to it down in the description. But half the year's already gone, and that means new phones have been released. So today we'll be checking out some of the best phones you can find for just under 10,000 pesos in the second quarter of 2022. Let's go! Kicking it off with the Infinix Note 12, which boasts some of the best specs you'll find in a phone under 10K. It packs in the Helio G96 processor, 256GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM, which can extend up to 13GB with virtual RAM. And at this price point and with those specs, it's quite impressive. Not to mention that it also comes with a 6.7-inch Full HD AMOLED panel. It even has triple rear cameras, a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts flash charge, and carries the latest Android 12 OS. All this comes in a phone at just 8,299 pesos for the variant with 128GB or 9,299 pesos for the one with 256GB. Now, Huawei just launched the new Nova Y70 at the start of June. Back then, it was already priced at 9,999 pesos. But now, Huawei has just announced that it is actually getting a price cut to just 8,499 pesos, which makes the Huawei Nova Y70 quite tempting to get. First thing you'll notice is its large 6.75-inch HD Plus display. But what's also impressively large is its battery. At 6,000 milliamps, you'll be sure to get through a full day's work with it. Underneath, it is powered by the Kirin 710 paired with the Mali G51 GPU. It also comes with 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and triple rear cameras. With a unique sporty design, the Tecno Pova 3 is quite the looker. It's also quite big. Let me explain. The Tecno Pova 3's display is a massive 6.9-inch Full HD panel that has a 90Hz refresh rate. Impressive, right? More impressively is its ultra-large battery at 7,000 milliamps, which is insane in of itself. But to top it off, it also comes with 33 watts fast charging. The Tecno Pova 3 also comes with the Helio G88 processor, 6GB of RAM with 5GB of extended RAM, and 128GB of storage. Not to mention that all of this comes at just 8,999 pesos. All things considered, this makes the Tecno Pova 3 a great bang for the buck gaming smartphone. If you're looking for a phone capable for mobile gaming at just under 10K, then maybe you'd want to give the Narzo 50 a look. It comes with a sweet 6.6-inch Full HD display that has a refresh rate of 120Hz, perfect for any game. The Narzo 50 also comes with the Helio G96 processor to give you the power you need to play any game comfortably. On top of that, you also get 128GB of storage, 6GB of RAM expandable to 11GB with dynamic RAM expansion, triple rear cameras, and a large 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charge. So if you're looking for a phone perfect for mobile gaming without breaking the bank, check out the Narzo 50 as it is only priced at just 9,999 pesos. Rounding out the list is the Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro 5G, with it being one of the most affordable smartphones with 5G capabilities. At just only 7,999 pesos, you'd expect it not to really pack a punch, but that's where you'd be wrong. As the Aqua S10 Pro 5G comes with a large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and the Dimensity 700, which is one of the fastest chips you can find on a phone at this price point. Its camera setup is no slouch either, with a 16MP front-facing camera for all your selfies and a quad rear camera setup at the back with a 48MP main. It even comes with wireless charging and a 5000 mAh battery. Now that wraps up our list on some of the best smartphones under 10,000 pesos, but we got some honorable mentions, so be sure to click the link below to read the full list of smartphones you can get under 10,000 pesos. We'd also appreciate if you left this video a like and subscribe to our channel for your favorite tech content here in the Philippines. Do also make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit YugaTech.com for all the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is VJ of YugaTech. Peace out.